Bryan, welcome back to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show again.
Thanks. Good morning. Great to be here again.
So, Bryan, your Q4 results beat expectations with strong growth. What drove this success, and how will you sustain it in 2025?
Great. Yeah, we were pleased with the performance that we saw in the fourth quarter. The consumer actually strengthened a little bit sequentially from third quarter to fourth quarter. Our high-end products continued to sell at double-digit rates. That wasn't that surprising. We'd seen strength there all year long. But our entry-level products, that's where we saw the improvement and drove the outperformance into the fourth quarter of this year. And so we were able to overperform from a revenue perspective as well as on a bottom line perspective. Moving into 2025, we recognize that the economic environment's going to be a bit choppy. We're not sure for how long, but we really have a three-pronged strategy to go after that. The first thing we'll be going after is a barrage of new products coming to the marketplace. Railing products as well as decking products, two things that fit very well with our company. Second thing, we'll be expanding our distribution so that we can make sure that when a consumer is looking for our product, they're able to easily purchase that product. It's sold wherever they're looking for it. And then the last thing is a continued really strong focus on branding. Make sure that our brand, the product attributes, are put in front of that customer as they're in that shopping process.
Now, Bryan, looking ahead to this year, what are some of the key drivers that you see that are pushing your growth, and how does the expansion into the railing market contribute to this outlook?
Yeah, going back to my comments about new products, a lot of those new products specifically are in railing. Today, we are the largest manufacturer of alternative railings in the country, and alternatives meaning alternative to wood. We still see the opportunity to be able to double that over the next 5 years. We have a new aluminum railing systems, we have new steel decking railing system, as well as a mesh rail, cable railing system, and glass rail system. So significant opportunity to make sure that we've got the right systems that our consumers are looking for. When they already make that choice to install Trex decking, we want that railing to go along with it.
So you mentioned wood. Wood is actually your number one competitor. How are you converting the wood market to sustainable composite products?
Wood's our number one competitor, both for decking and for railing. 2019, we launched our enhanced product line, and that was designed specifically to go after that wood buyer. It sells for about 2 times the price of wood, so roughly $2 a linear foot. So for an extra $1,200, $1,400, you can be putting Trex composite decking down. And then the key part of that strategy is also to have a product that's just a little bit more expensive, but gives a higher level of aesthetics and performance and provide that upsell to the consumer. It's been extremely effective for us. Since we've launched that, we've seen the share of composites go from, back then it was probably around 18%, and today in 2025, it's around 26%. So it's been an effective strategy.
Now, Trex decking uses 95% plus recycled materials. How does sustainability drive your material sourcing?
We're really proud that we can manufacture an extremely sustainable product. We've been doing this since the inception of the company, almost 35 years now, of buying this stretch film that's available to us, mostly polyethylene throughout the US, a little bit up even into Canada, and turn that into our deck board. We were doing it well before it was cool to make sustainable products that are out there. The reason we do it is we can make a great product. There's plentiful supplies for it. We can do it very profitably. And even better now, the fact that we can keep these materials out of a landfill, and that's important from a societal perspective.
And finally, with a record number of new products in 2024, including Sun Comfortable Tech, how does innovation drive your strategy in outdoor living?
We've got a great R&D team, and it's extremely important. You may think it's decking, railing. How difficult is it? It is very difficult. And you mentioned Sun Comfortable technology. That allows us to have our deck boards out in the blaring sun in a southern environment where it could get very warm. That technology allows us to keep the temperature of that deck board down. That's something that our customers have specifically asked for, a concern that they've had with high temperatures. You see it on asphalt, you see it on cement, you see it on sand. We're able to do something using technology to be able to reduce that temperature. We launched 2 new colors in December of this year of our Lineage product line, And we're starting to bring it out to our more entry product lines as well too. In January of this year, we launched 2 products within our enhanced product line that also have the technology. And then in the second quarter of this year, we'll relaunch our entire Select decking, which is a mid-price product line. And again, that will have sun comfortable technology. So we're excited about it, and a lot of great things from a knowledge and capability perspective of how we work with polymers.
Well, it sounds like you are prepared for the warmer weather. Bryan, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk again.
Thank you, enjoyed it.